In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a workspace icon in Slack. Your workspace icon is an important part of your team's branding inside Slack. It helps people quickly recognize the workspace in the app switcher, sidebars, and notifications. Before you begin, keep in mind that you'll need to do this from the Slack desktop app or from Slack in a web browser. And you must have Workspace Owner or Workspace Administrator permissions. First, prepare the image you want to use. Slack works best with a square image, so make sure your logo is perfectly even on all sides. The image should be between 132 by 132 pixels and 512 by 512 pixels. Save it as a PNG, JPG, or JPEG file. Also, avoid using an animated GIF since Slack doesn't support that format for workspace icons. One helpful tip here is to check the background of your logo. If it uses transparency or a white background, it may not stand out well in different Slack themes, so adding a solid background color can make the icon much easier to see. Once your file is ready, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser. Go to the top left area of the window and click your workspace name in the left sidebar. This opens the main menu for workspace options. From that menu, move to the section labeled Settings and Administration, or in some versions, Tools and Settings. When the submenu appears, click Customize Workspace. This will open the customization area in a new browser tab, where you can manage visual elements for the workspace. After the page loads, look for the Settings tab. It's usually placed near other customization sections like emoji and statuses. Click Settings to enter the main workspace settings area. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Workspace Icon. In that area, click Change Icon or Upload an icon depending on what your current workspace setup shows. Next, click Choose File or Browse to open your computer's file picker. Select the square logo image you prepared earlier, then click Open. Slack will display your image with a crop tool so you can adjust how it appears. Use the crop handles to center your logo neatly inside the preview. This is worth doing carefully since the icon will appear small in many places and needs to stay clear and readable. When everything looks right, click Crop Icon, then click Save Icon to apply the change. Once saved, the updated workspace icon will appear across your Slack workspace in the sidebar, app switcher, and other interface areas. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.